ahead.
It's gonna blow away.
Uh-oh. Well, you died.
This is gone.
Already?
Yeah. You died already.
Yeah, you did.
You're too top heavy. Everyone else is standing like not moving at all. You're catching too much wind with your broad walls.
So he made big one?
That's why I was late.
It's a beautiful day. She can, I guess she can go in that water. It's gonna freeze though.
Okay, watch out.
You died before the rain even came.
You gonna
Go
record
ahead
it?
and just set it on there. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Alright, so y'all ready for this?
You gonna record it?
I'm going to go
ahead.
very slowly over here. So first, this is just flooding that's going on, okay? I need somebody, you know what, Bree, you do this, because then somebody might say I'm cheating. Okay, so what you do is you're trying to do a hurricane. So you're going to have the flooding that's going to go along with the hurricane, but what else are you going to have with the hurricane? Rain and wind. So, Bree, do you want to make the rain?
I can.
Okay, watch out, step back a little bit.
My beauty towel.
I think he's charging mine. Okay, oh!
Alright, ready.
Oh!
Sabotaging neighbors, Joel.
I see some strong winds, like real, some wind rain.
I can't hold it.
No, like spray it real hard. Yeah, like that.
Don't park in my house. I'm doing everywhere.
So who is the last house to fall? Guys, that was a great job. So y'all lasted to the very end.
I got second place.
Good job.
I
I told you mine would survive
If
for a
y'all
little.
want to grab them, y'all can go ahead and grab them. They're all dirty. If you want to throw them away,
If you want them, yeah.
I will go this way.
That's where I'm on. Yeah, turn the rain off.
Sorry, I was the last one that survived.
Yeah, y'all two were the last two to survive, and I heard her down here right after. I got second place.
I got
I got last place.
no.